One was a faster train, which is more luxurious, and it doesn't stop at many places. It's called a Rapid Express. And then that's just a normal subway local train, yeah. Even the local trains can skip stops and have a more express one. You have to know which one you're getting on. We got on the wrong one last night, and it stopped 2 stops after ours. It didn't stop at our stop, so we had to get on another local train and go back 2 stops. No big deal. You don't get charged extra for it. That one's going to Shinjuku. Well, we're in Shinjuku. Should be going up the arm. I don't know why it's not going up. There must be another train. If it's not going up, it means there's another train. Yeah, here comes the other train. You can go on the steps where those kids are running up and go on the overpass, but it's more fun to stand here.
Okay,
Hopefully we can go now.
now, yes.
Yes, another train is coming. Well, could be, Teresa. I don't see the arm going up. We've never been at a crossing this long before. Usually one train goes by and the arms go up. But that's the 3rd train. So, probably another train. In an area like this, you can have trains going in many different directions.
Oh, yeah. There
See
must be
off in the
one
distance
on-
there's another train going the opposite direction. There's another train, that's, I don't know what that is, some kind of an express train, I guess. It's called Romance Car. Whatever that means. Maybe more like a tour. But we've never seen 4 trains stop the intersection. There we go. There we go. See that train track. Into this video.